Om Namah Shivaya, Om Amriteshwari Namah. Today I, Savodagiri of class 10A, will say on the topic of acids. Acids. The definition of acids: a substance which produces H plus ion as the only positive ion when dissolved in water. An acid is a substance that gives H plus ion as the only positive ion when it dissociates into its ion. So the acid is a substance which gives H plus ion as the only positive ion. HCl, it gives H plus and Cl minus. The H plus ion is given out by HCl, so HCl is considered as an acid. Now here are some physical properties of acids. Acids are sour in taste. They turn blue litmus to red. They are corrosive. Especially the strong acids. They have a pH less than 7. They conduct electricity due to the presence of hydrogen ions in solution. The acids are sour in taste. We have tested many fruits and we have seen that acids are sour in taste. They turn blue litmus to red. When a blue litmus paper is put in an acidic solution, it turns into red. So an acids turn blue litmus to red. They are corrosive. The strong acids such as HCl, HNO3, H2SO4, these are strong acids as they give a large amount of H plus ion when they dissociate. So they are strong acids. They have a pH scale less than 7. The acids have a pH scale less than 7. They have a pH scale from 0 to 6 and 7 is the neutral one. So they have a pH scale less than 7. They conduct electricity due to the presence of hydrogen ions in the solution. The acids give H plus ions which are responsible for carrying the electric current through the conductor. So the ions are responsible for carrying the electric current. So they conduct electricity. Here is types of acids. The first one is organic acid. The second one is inorganic acids. The organic acids are usually weaker. These acids are tartaric acid, citric acid, malic acid. Tartaric acid is contained in tamarind, citric acid in lemons, and malic acid in apples. So these are weaker acids, as we know that we can eat the fruits, and so these are weaker acids as they give a less amount of H plus ions. They are less corrosive. The weaker acids are less corrosive. So these are not so corrosive and they do not cause harm to us. They are found in fruits or living tissues. The second part is inorganic acids. They are usually stronger. They are more corrosive. They are mostly man-made from minerals. They are usually stronger. The acids such as sulphuric acid, nitric acid, and hydrochloric acid, they give a large amount of H plus ions when they dissociate. So they are usually stronger acids. They are more corrosive. We know that HCl, HNO3 are very strong as they can cause harm to us. So they are considered as strong acids. They are mostly man-made from minerals. These acids cannot be prepared individually, so they are made in factories. And they are mostly obtained from minerals. Here I have prepared one chart on the basicity of acids. So what do we mean by basicity? Basicity is the number of H plus ions that an acid gives when it dissociates. Here are three types. The first one is monobasic or monoprotic acid. It provides one hydrogen ion per molecule of the acid. The acids such as HCl, HNO3 gives one H plus ion as when they dissociate. So they are known as monobasic or monoprotic acids. The second one is dibasic or diprotic. It provides two hydrogen ion per molecule of the acid. Examples are sulphuric acid and carbonic acid. Sulphuric acid dissociates into 2H plus and SO4 2 minus. So here these two H plus ions are given, so it is considered as a dibasic or triprotic acid. The third one is tribasic or triprotic acid. Example is phosphoric acid. The phosphoric acid H3PO4. This phosphoric acid gives 3H plus PO4 3 minus ion when it dissociates. So these 3H plus ions are given out by phosphoric acid when it dissociates. So this is considered as tribasic or triprotic acid. Now here I have written one fact that dibasic or tribasic acids are able to form more than one type of salt when they react with a base. The dibasic or tribasic acid, as they give more than one H plus ion when they dissociate, so they are able to form more than one type of salts, such as this H3PO4. This gives 3 H plus ion and PO4 3 minus. This 3 H plus ion, if one H plus ion is replaced by a metal atom, then also the 2 H plus ion remain, so that then the hydrogen ion then also remain in the salt, so it forms an acidic salt, and the 1 H plus ion are replaced, and again if 2 H plus ions are replaced by a metal atom, then also 1 H plus ion is there in the salt, so it forms a acidic salt. So these form, so the acids which contain, which are able to, which are didesic or tridesic, can form more than one type of salt when they react with a base. Thank you. Om Namah Shivaya.